Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market lifters, big clues right here. Will there be more big moves? Very importantly, I want to show you where can you expect the big moves, because the market has built so much liquidity at this area. I want to show you that here in today's video. Now, very straightforward today. 10:28 a.m. right here. Now, we identified the pink algorithm right here. Very importantly, we see the liquidity that's being built with the pink algorithm. And I told you, wait for the cup to close at that yellow 647. Just take a look for yourself. Exactly to the penny. And thereafter, wait for the teal algorithm to start rebuilding structure. And you see how beautifully that inverse hand and shoulder pattern started forming on that handle of that cup that closed at yellow 647. Absolutely beautiful trade right there. Well, I followed that up again at 11:32. Now, I just want you to see this very closely, and that yellow level that I indicated, and I will magnify it, 647.48. Now, it's the same concept, right? Close cup at yellow. You see the pink algorithm starting to form here, and the teal building liquidity as well. You see grabbing the liquidity, and I mentioned the retrace of that yellow 647, even if you missed this initial breakout here, and it retraced back to that 647 yellow to the penny, exactly as it formed. Absolutely beautiful, all because you understood how to be looking out for that pink algorithm right there. Now, this was the 100% trade for the day, but I only extracted 80%. So be it, because it's an absolutely beautiful trade regardless. Now, take a look. Once we bounced off that yellow, it went all the way up to new highs again, 649. Absolutely beautiful trade, all because you understood this. And also on the 30-minute context. Now, this is no surprise, isn't it? I talked about this, how we closed the cup, and we were just waiting for the handle. I talked about this in yesterday's video. You have to be watching it, understand the context, macro context of how we got here. And when that happens, you have clearer indication of what to look out for in the 1-minute context right there. Now, you've seen me do it every single day. Always find profits in the charts. You don't need the big move. I've shown you even with the small moves, you're able to find your 100% trades, and with much little risks, because you're able to have the algorithms so precise to the penny. And if that happens, you can take very close stop losses, and so in a sense your risk to rewards will be so much more immense. Let me give you an example of my entry right here.